call me that. Dang it, there wasn't a bullet. Is there a bullet? No, there's not a bullet. Okay, now there's a bullet. Oh my god! No, Maddie, do you remember when I freaking hid in the pantry? Kelsey was looking for me outside, and I came up out of the pantry and sneaked up on her and scared the crap out of her.
That was hilarious.
Sometimes before I like fit it through that crack.
Try it.
Okay, but don't close it.
I won't.
Oh!
You suck.
Hold on, try again. Dang it!
You suck.
I'm already trying to shoot a bullet through this crack. I'm cool like that.
It hit you!
Give me my bullets. Or else I'm gonna do you with them.
She's putting them down her pants.
Kelsey, that's so sluttish. Open up. Hold this. Before I kick some ass. I mean butt. Oh, my toe! What a bitch.
You gotta cock it. Pull back the gray thing.
Female dog. I got a wedgie. Hold on, that's not fair. I got a wedgie.
I just got a video of you picking your wedgie.
You suck. You have bad aim. Hold on, shoot my butt when I bend over. Hurry up, Kelsey, so you can shoot my butt when I bend over.
Hey, stand over here, Kelsey.
I didn't know how I did it.
I'm so gay. I like to sit down.
I got that.
That was so tight.
I got that.
You like shot me in the eye. What a
Here, this one's more fun. This
bullets are in your pants.
Hey, this one hurts more.
Yeah, that one hurts, dude.
Kelsey, this one hurts. Here, Katie.
No!
Don't knock over my vegetable soup.
Well, I said yes, you could. I was kidding. You can call me back.
It hurts. It seriously does hurt. Jonathan hit me in the face with it yesterday.
No, you have to call me back. Because I said. I want this thing to shoot.
Huh?
Because you love me.
No, you gotta push this thing back. Oh, wait. Oh, it's stuck. Here, hold on to this.
Oh, fine, because I want you to. How about that? Because I want to talk to you. Okay, fine then.
Hold on. Stuff.
Because you like food. Okay, yay.
Okay.
Well, if you can, call me back at like 9. Because, like, I don't know how late I'll be with... Well, I don't know how... Well, I mean... Because I'll be with Kelsey, and I don't want to, like, be rude and not talk to you or
There you
something.
go. Now I'll shoot.
You just shoot.
I mean, if you really want to call me back...
You want the laser?
Okay, so call me back whenever. Alright.
What the heck?
What was that?
Oh, it sucks.
You gotta push it back forward. You gotta What? Oh.
Oh, I went on top of the fridge.
Oh, you gotta go get it. These are Jonathan's guns. You gotta push it all the way till it clicks.
Oh,
There we go. There you
How the
go.
hell does my bullet fall out?
It's probably stuck again. It's a piece of crap.
They just fall out.
No, they get stuck.